Hi guys and welcome. This is our 26th episode of the weekly pronunciation challenge series. And today for you are 10 words which all have a combination of two letters in them. And the letters are N and K. Whenever letter N comes before letter K, it will give you a sound different from N sound, which you may expect there. So the reason for that is that the articulation, the place of articulation moves to the same place, which is the back of your mouth. So your N will be now articulated in the same place where your K is articulated. So your N sound becomes an Ng sound. So instead of saying bank, you need to say bank. And now please listen to me and watch my mouth. I am not doing N with the front of my tongue, I'm doing Ng with the back of my tongue. And it's actually much easier to say that in the same place, so Ng, because the place of articulation is the same. So once you master that movement, it's going to make it easier for you to say these words. So let's practice them together. Bank, bank. Banker, banker. Sink, sink. Blink, blink. Stink, stink. Drink, drink. Think, think. Link, link. Trunk, trunk. Junk, junk. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying our videos, please share them with your friends, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to our channel here. And I'll see you next week. Bye.